Best Grommet Kit Review. In this video, we'll share with you one of the most popular grommet kits in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We'll share with you some of the features of what makes this set of tools so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to use this grommet kit. The one that made our list is the Pliers Grommet Toolkit. This set comes with a hole cutter, a mandrel, 100 sets of grommet eyelets, and a storage box. This set is perfect for repairing canvas, tarps, tents, pool coverings, and more. And it's really easy to set the grommet eyelets in place with a hole cutter and matched mandrel, while the mandrel has a distinctive non-slip pattern on the surface to provide a more secure grip. The eyelets measure ½ an inch for the internal diameter and 4/5 of an inch for the outside diameter, while the barrel length is about 1/5 of an inch. The storage box that comes with this kit is compact and portable and is easy to put away. To check out the full specs of the Pliers Grommet Toolkit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/grommet-toolkit. Here's a quick video of how easy it is to use this kit. So there you have it, the Pliers Grommet Toolkit. Considering its ease of use, the quality of the materials, and how easy it is to bring this set around, we feel that this toolkit is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Pliers Grommet Toolkit and check out its current price, you can go to bit.ly/grommet-toolkit. Alright, thank you for watching.